Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel. In this video, we're going to give you a garden tour. This is only part one, and it is the front of our house. For those who have seen some of our other videos, they will be familiar with the fact that we enjoy gardening and we save a lot of money from growing our own produce. We probably grow about a third to a half of all the produce that we eat. On the right side, you'll see our gooseberry bush. I cut it way down last year. And then there's a container that we have some lettuce in, which will move to the back when it starts to grow so the deer don't eat it. We planted carrots in the middle, where we had to remove an old rose bush that died. And then we have a black currant bush there, and another container with some spinach, which will move to the back. And then on the right side there, we have a Romeo cherry bush and another container with some lettuce. We have a barrel with some different herbs in it and a couple of containers that we planted some potatoes in. On the left there is our Juliet cherry bush. We thought that was funny to split up Romeo and Juliet. We have a Canadian rhubarb in the middle, and we planted garlic around this year because the deer ate the zucchini and tomatoes we had last year. And there's a Juneberry bush there on the right. Out by our mailbox, we planted garlic this year instead of onions. The deer seem to stay away from garlic and onions, so that's why we plant them there. So you see our barrel with herbs, a couple of containers with potatoes, Juliet, garlic, Canadian rhubarb, and the Juneberry. And then on this side, there's the gooseberry, carrots in the middle where the rose bushes were, black currant, and then Romeo cherry bush with a couple of containers that will move to the backyard when we're ready. It snowed about 4 inches a couple days ago, so we will do the backyard garden tour when the snow melts. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel.